Hello there everybody, I hope that you are doing well. I am Hamza Farahat, Python web scraping and browser automation expert. So today we will explain one from the magical scripts. It's for a Google Form autofilling bot. It's based on Python, of course. So before starting, I have a small disclaimer over here, which is this script. It's just for educational and ethical automation purposes only. And surely we will not use this to manipulate public surveys or spamming or something like this. Perfect. So I have over here a normal survey over here, a Google form right here. It's with French language. Let me translate it to English to see. As you see here, it's a banking services in Morocco. It's just a sample. Here we have ages, section, gender, and frequency of use, online banking, etc., etc. And of course, here we have the answers. At the moment, we have 0 answer. Okay, so I have the script over here on my RGP because we need a little bit powerful machine. RGP is suitable to execute our script. Okay, so let's open a terminal over here, a bash terminal, and let me activate the virtual environments first. I'm already created, and also I already installed the requirements. Okay, let me run the script at the moment with the command python main.py, and let's make it start. As you see here, it's a browser automation. It's open a browser, Chrome browser, and submitted. Okay, so over here we will see that it's frequently open some browser and keep putting the survey. And also we'll see here the answers. As you see, it's 2, now 3. Okay, so also the choices are randomly. I will see here that it starts to mix the choices on each section or each answer. For example, the age, we have a mix for the ages, also for the genders. Let's refresh. We go to the answers. I think some Google glitch. Okay, all is good. Let me translate it to English. Yes, let me scroll all the way down. Down. Okay, until now we have 5 answers, which mean let's see the source for these 5 answers. Let me open the main and edit something there. So I have here a loop, okay, that trigger a multiple threads. For now, it's looping just one time, but each trigger or each iteration, actually, it's running 5 times. This is what means this 5 answers over here. So if we update it to 5, for example, let's save this file, and so now we have 5 multiple by 5. It's 25. Okay, so we'll get a 25 around 25 answer. Let's run the script again. Let me actually close this, the previous command. Let's open this. As you will see, we will see now multiple browsers are opened parallel. or at the same time. And also I will see the answers amount, it's increased. It was 5, now it's 10. And also everything is randomly and mixed. Around the ages, the gender, the frequency. Let me translate it to English to see. We do simple refresh for a better translation. So you see, now we have 19. Ages are completely random or mixed. The gender also, the frequency of usage, the bank, online services, and so on and so on. This is of course just a sample. You can put any form over here or link it with the script. I think it's closed. Let's update this and so on. We can update it, for example 100, which mean we will get around 300 or something like that survey, and we can make it suitable. It depends about our needs. Okay, so yes, this is simply how the script it works, and thank you for your time. So see you next time. Goodbye.